Do you want to turn complex research into viral Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram shorts? Today, I will show you how to use Notebooklm to transform any PDF or web link or any other content into engaging videos using custom styles like stickman animation or 3D Pixar-style cartoon. Let's dive in and start creating. Okay, to access Notebooklm, the first thing we're going to do, you must have registered with your email account, and I have it on Gmail. If you have a Gmail account and you have it on Google Chrome, you go to the right hand side here, you scroll down, then you now scroll down, you can be able to access Notebooklm. Where is it here? Okay, this is it here. You can see it here, Notebook. You click here, then it automatically takes you to Notebooklm interface, and this is the interface that you have now. You can decide to create any content using this platform. If you want to create a new content, you can just click on create new here, or you come to this place, this plus sign, and click create new notebook. Wow, it will bring you to this interface. Also say create audio and video overviews from website. You can decide to copy from, you can set to copy a link. You can decide to copy a web link and put it here, or upload a file. It will automatically upload those files and bring it by the left hand side. Let's say, for example, now I'm saying search the web for a new source. Okay, search for financial strategies. Search for financial strategy. The same thing we would have done by just copying and pasting the link in the initial interface that was shown to us. Search for financial strategies. You can just click on this. Then if you look at the left hand side, you can see this panel is the sources panel, where all the sources you need can be documented. So I'm searching the web for financial strategies. You can see now, fast research completed. You can see, you come down here, we have 7 more sources. You click here, it shows all the sources. You can see now we have strategic financial management, optimizing capital structure. You can see it now. You can see now, you don't click on import, you click it and it imports all the content and the links of the content searched by Notebooklm under the sources panel that we have here. You can also decide to add sources. You can see that it's marked already. You can select all. It's marked already. It means that all the sources are already uploaded. You can see several sources here from several websites, several sources. You can, if you go down, you continue to see it. You can decide to add sources. Click on add sources. You can add sources from website. You can decide to upload sources if you have it on your PDF platform or your PDF file. Okay. These are various options in which you can use to upload sources. So you can see the chart. This next one is the chart segment. The first one is sources. The second one is the chart. The third one is the studio. You know, it automatically highlight the information in the sources. The chart studio, you can decide to rewrite and say, okay, highlight top 3 financial strategies, you know, something of that nature. Highlight top 3 financial strategies. Then it will get those information based on the source. Yeah, based on the source, the sources you've uploaded and you search for. This is just it. This is just it. This is how to use it. Okay. These are the informations that you've gotten through that. So the real thing here is, how do you create your social media content based on your niche? If you're in the financial niche, then you can focus on finance. Then how do you create it? How do you create short? Say, try new short video overviews. That's the new development now. And that is why we are having this tutorial. That's the new development. You can create a short video using Notebooklm. So let us try one, and you can create using any styles that you want. Okay, we are in the studio segment now. Then you just search for video overview here. Video overview here. You click on video overview, you click on overview. You can see we have two formats here. The first one is the explainer format, and the second one is the short format. The explainer format is basically in a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. You can see the short format. You can see the icon here. You can see it is 9 by 16 aspect ratio, which you can use for your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, to give instructions or to educate other people based on your niche. You can choose the language, English language. Your information is gotten from 10 sources, which we uploaded not too long. I click on it, you can see the sources here. You can see it here. You can decide to unselect all and just select individual sources. That is all. That is just it. I can also decide to select all. Okay, you can confirm it. So every information you must get, you are getting them from these 10 sources. So let us create a short. Yes, our social media content now. Let's create it. Let's create it now. So under this short, you click on short. Okay, it's clicked already. Then you come down here, custom topic. Custom topic. You can describe your topic. Okay, you can say educate on 5 key financial strategies. Okay, create a stickman illustration based on that. So I wanted to create a stickman illustration. So I'm defining the style. Okay, I'm defining the style the content should take right now. I say it should be a stickman illustration. A stickman illustration. A stickman illustration. Okay, strategies. Okay, financial strategies. Okay, that it should be a stickman illustration. Okay, click on generate and let's see what it gives to us. You can see generating short video overview. So let us go to another platform. So I will click on this Notebooklm logo here by the left hand side, upper left hand side there. I'll click on it. Then I have other content also that I'm also developing. You can see other content too. You can see other content. Okay, I have other one too. Okay, this is a recent one. Yeah, you can see there's a recent one. That is July 16, 2026. That's for today. So other ones that I have is, okay, let's say the 7 strategy for reaching your full academic potential, which I've done already. I've done that before. Yeah, and I uploaded the sources. Then I click on the video overview. Then, like what I did, I asked for it to generate this short information. This short for me. Let's look at the first one. The first one says the signs of studying smarter.
Why do some students study constantly but still burn out, while others seem to effortlessly ace their exams with half the stress? It comes down to 3 evidence-based habits used by highly successful students. First up, study at the exact same time every day. Keeping a rigid schedule physically entrains your nervous system, making it biologically easier to focus during those specific hours. Next, ditch passive reading for the 3R method. That stands for read, recite, and review. This forces the uncomfortable mental effort that your brain actually requires to lock information.
That is it now. You can see it's the stickman illustration. You can see the stickman here. It's in stickman illustration. That's what I did there. So you can decide to download it here. Click on download. then it will automatically download. Yeah, you click on download. Yeah, it's downloaded. Then you go back. Then the other one I did is based on the same content, the strategy for reaching academic potential. I said the topic is
What happens in your brain when you use retrieval?
There's the topic. It's a how retrieval practice strengthens memory. How retrieval practice strengthens memory. And I asked Notebooklm to generate this video in 3D pizza cartoon style. And this is it. And this is the style it gave to me. This is it. Okay. Let me go ahead. Let me increase the volume so that we can hear very well. Okay, this is the style it gave to me.
Practice. Passively rereading notes creates an illusion of knowledge, leaving you blank on test day. Take a student trying to memorize the mitochondria's function for an exam. When you just scan the textbook definition, the information enters but fails to build a lasting connection. Even with flashcards, if you flip them too early, you falsely assume you learned it. The pathway remains fragile. But when you close the book,
I have to pause it. That is it. That is it. Whatsoever niche that you want to create, whatsoever platform you want to develop, or social media platform, you can leverage Notebooklm. It's a research-based AI tool. It will enable you to conduct a research, attract several sources. Yeah, using the sources panel here, and you can create multiple informations that you want to create based on those the sources you've uploaded on the internet. You can also download this too. Click on download. There you download this. Okay, that's just it. That is it. Now let's go back and see other ones. Let's see, which one did we create now? Okay, this is the one we did recently. Let me click it. Let's see if the other one is ready. Yeah, the science of this one is ready. Okay.
Why do some students study constantly but still burn out, while others seem to effortlessly ace their...
Okay, we've done this before. This is the recent one. This for today. Let's click on it. Let's see if it's ready. It takes a little while to generate short video overview. Let's wait and let's see what it gives to us. Okay, I think it is ready now. You can see now by the right hand side, the short is ready. It's 1 minute plus. You click on it.
Making money and...
Okay, you can see now. To view it very well, we can decide to increase the screen. Okay, this is it.
Making money and keeping it require two completely different skill sets. Here are 5 essential financial strategies spanning business, trading, risk, and wealth preservation. First up, small businesses fail mostly because they run out of cash. Cloud-based automation tracks real-time obligations and invoice payments. This replaces reactive scrambling with a proactive survival plan. Strategy 2, social media algorithms artificially amplify herd behavior and FOMO. Actively recognizing this digital illusion prevents impulsive, emotionally driven market disasters.
Wow. That is it. You can say that is just it. You upload your sources here. You can decide to change this title if you want to change it. You upload your sources here, or you get whatever source you want on the internet, or you have in your archive, and you start generating content based on your niche. And if you want to be using stickman animation all through, you can just mention the style. That say you want to use stickman animation. You have them here. Just go to video overview here. Click on short because you want to use it on your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or your Twitter. Or your X platform. Come to this place. You custom topic. You can customize your topic. That's just it. And you can go ahead and keep generating the informations based on your niche or the information you have. You want to transform the information you have into a short viral content. You just click on this add sources, and then you upload the file, either the PDF file or the Word format you have the information. You click on upload, it automatically brings you to the sources here and select it, and you go ahead and create content based on that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much. I want you to please subscribe to my channel, comment, and also like and share. Be the best.